Hello students, today we are going to solve the question based on collinear points in the coordinate geometry. Here we are going to use the formula that is area of triangle. Now what is the area of triangle here? When the three coordinates for suppose x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are given to us. So using these three coordinates we have a formula that is 1 by 2. This symbol is called absolute value. Suppose whatever, if the negative value will come, we will take the positive value only. And this is the formula x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y minus y2. y1 minus y2. Yes. So this is the formula to use or to find area of triangle when the 3 points or 3 coordinates are given to us. Now the application of this formula is that we can use this formula also when we need to prove the points are collinear. It means if the points will collinear, the area of triangle that will equal to 0. Or if any variable is given to us and we have already known that the points are collinear, so we will equate with the 0 and we can find out the any variable. Suppose I am taking one example, and this type of example is very important for the board point of view, since suppose first of all read this example. In the points A, k plus 1, 2k, B, 3k 2, 2k plus 3 and C, 5k minus 1, 5k are collinear. Means these 3 points are collinear. Then find the value of k. So already in this question they already told us that 3 points are collinear to us and we need to find out the value of k here. So we are going to use this formula, since we have an area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Since the points are collinear, so it will equal to 0. Yes, and we know that, I hope that you know the value meaning of collinear. Means all the 3 points will come in a straight line. Means when the points are coming in the straight line, so there will be never be any triangle form. Yes. Now if you don't find it hard to learn this formula, there is a very easy method to learn this formula. First of all, we will write x1 plus, we will leave the space here, x2 plus, again leave the space here, and plus x3. Yes, x1 plus x2 plus x3, and we will put a bracket in front of x1, x2 and x3. Now what will come in the bracket? We always the ordinates will come in the bracket, means the values of y coordinate. So since x1 is here, so y will not come in the bracket. And we know that we will do like we will move like a column that is clockwise only 1, 2 and 3. Since 1 is here, so y1 will not come, so y2 minus y3. Yes, now here 2 is already come, so what come after 2? That is 3, so y3 minus y1. Here the 3 up to 1 to 3 is done. So again we will start with the 1. y1 minus y2 means y3 will not come here. So this is the method to use or to learn the formula. Now we are going to solve this question here, for because this is the to make you clear, I have already written here the values from the question. What will be the x1, what will be the x2, what will be the x3 here, and what will be the y1, y2 and y3. Yes, if we will write this clearly, so it makes us easy to put these values in the formula. Yes, so now let's put the values in the formula. Yes, now we have a formula. Since the area of triangle will be equal to 0, since the points are collinear, and 1 by 2 when we will take, that will by cross multiplication it will equal to 0. So here the x1 will come, that is k plus 1. Yes, now it will come here y2 minus y3. y2 is 2k and y3 is 2k plus 3 and y3 is minus 5k. Plus x2 will come, x2 is 3k and y3 minus y1, it means 5k minus 2k will come, plus x3, that is 5k minus 1 we need to put always in the bracket, otherwise the calculation will be wrong. Yes, now y1 minus y2 will come, that is 2k minus 2k plus 3. Yes, now open the bracket. Before opening the bracket, first of all solve whatever in the bracket, that is we will left 5k minus 2k, that is 3 minus 3k plus 3k into 3k plus 5k minus 1, and 2k will cancel out by 2k, or let me open properly. Yes, that will like this, 2k minus 2k minus 3. So let's open the brackets here. That will 3k plus 3 minus 3k square minus 3k plus 3 3 is a 9, 9k square. Here the 2k will cancel out and we will left with plus 5, it will become a minus 15, minus 15k, and minus minus plus plus 3. Yes, yes. So when we have put the values, yes, and here after solving the brackets we have got this. Yes, 2k will be cancelled out and it will left with this. Yes, now we are going to solve this. 0 is equal to, yes, so it will be minus 3k and plus 3k, it will be cancelled out, and 9k square minus 3k square, that is equal to 6k square. Yes, and minus 15k, and 3 plus 3, that is plus 6. Or we can write, since this complete equation we can divide by 3, so we have got, let's divide by 3. So now we have equation 2k square minus 5k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have got the quadratic equation. Let's solve this quadratic equation, and we have, since 5k is the, we need to split the middle term. So since 5k is there, so 4 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is a 5. So we can write 2k square minus 4k minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. We will take 2k common and we have k minus 2 minus 1, k minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have k minus 2 taking most common, k minus 2, and 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we have got the two values of k, that is k is equal to 2 or k is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Let me show you again. Here we have put the values here. Yes, according to the formula x1, x2, x3, and here that is y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y1 minus y2. We have solved this. We need to solve the brackets only, and we have got the quadratic equation. Yes, and we have, by splitting the middle term, we have solved this. Hence we have got the two values of k. I hope you have understand this. Thank you, students.